Hi Rachel, I'm Caitlin Jaymes, a fashion stylist and closet organizing expert. Today I'm here to share with you on how I organize my clients' closets like a pro. First things first, have a stool tucked away in the corner of their closet. That way there's no excuse to have a pile of clothes on the floor and not hang them up in those hard to reach places. Shelving can become very overcrowded. Pick 2 to 5 pieces per shelf and move the top shelf so that you cannot overstuff that shelf. If you don't have adjustable shelves, use a sticker to mark where you don't want your clothes to go past. When it comes to hanging your clothes, you want to make sure you place them in categories based on how often you wear them. For pieces you rarely wear, such as your dressy going out clothes, those can go in the back. Now in the very front, that's where you can have your favorite pieces that you're always grabbing. Shoe racks can become very overcrowded and look very clunky. By facing one shoe towards me and one shoe away from me, I'm able to fit one more shoe on my shoe shelf. Simple as that. Items like seasonal wear that you rarely use can be placed in a box under your bed. You can also put a lid on it so that it doesn't collect dust. That way, these pieces will not take up any extra space in your closet. We all know that rule that you should never go to the grocery store hungry because you're going to overbuy. So what I do is I keep a notepad and pen in my closet so I know exactly what I have too much of or not enough of. That way, when I go shopping, I know exactly what to buy. Follow these tips and you'll be organizing like a pro.